Welcome to StockTrack's portfolio simulation platform. Today we're going to talk about how you can manage your portfolio within your StockTrack account. So when you first log into your account, this is the page that you'll see. This is called your dashboard, and it's a helpful place to start and go back to anytime you're using your StockTrack account. The first thing you want to pay attention to, once you're logged in, is this orange box up here in the top right corner. Your entire view of your StockTrack account will change depending on what you have selected under this item. You can use this menu to toggle between your practice account or challenges that you've joined or created, or any classes that you're a part of. As you can see, right now I just have my practice account and one challenge that I'm a part of, but any challenges that you create or join will show up here as well as classes that you're a part of. So let's do a quick tour of the dashboard before we get into how to manage your portfolio within StockTrack. This 4-option menu at the top of your screen is your main navigation throughout your StockTrack account. Today we'll mostly be focusing on the dashboard and the portfolio simulation section. Below the main menu, you'll see a display of some of the most popular indices and how they're performing that day. As you can see, today is kind of a green day for the markets, so most of the major indices, as well as oil and natural gas, are up. If you don't want to see this anymore, simply click this X, and if you want to display it again, hit Show Ticker up here. We've simplified the dashboard quite a bit. Right away, you can see a high-level summary of your portfolio. Your portfolio value, return, current cash balance, buying power, ranking in your league, and remember this will change depending on what view you have, the trades made, and how many are remaining, and you can click right here to access your portfolio if you need. If you want to use this menu to check out more information about your portfolio, you can, but we'll also show you how to do that up here by navigating to the My Portfolio section under the Portfolio Simulation menu. Below that, you have a quick look at your open positions that you can scroll through here, and you can toggle between equities, options, and Forex by using this little menu. Below that, you have your watch list, and you can add assets to that at any time. For both your open positions and your watch list, we've added quick links to trade, view charts, view news, or remove from your watch list right here within the dashboard. If you want to navigate quickly from your dashboard, you can use these buttons. Lastly, at the bottom of your dashboard, we have a market snapshot page. Just show you a market summary of the major indices and commodities, as well as top gainers and top losers of the day. Okay, so a couple more quick things about the dashboard. Right under this menu, you can select to edit your profile or view your achievements here. Within editing your profile, you can change your password or change your contact information regarding your account. This My Achievements section is different and new, and will show you the badges that you've earned throughout your time on your StockTrack account. You can see what badges you've earned and the different badge levels that are available, as well as your progress made toward those. You can also view your discussion forum and any uploaded documents here as well. Your forum posts will also show up here on the right-hand side. As you can see, in this challenge, no one has posted anything, but let's check out what the forum page looks like. So for each class or challenge that you're a part of, you'll have your own forum where anyone can create a post or respond to anybody else's post. You can choose a subject here if you want to create a new post, title your post, and then type what you want. Everybody in that challenge or that class can see what you posted and can respond to anybody else. Okay, that summarizes the dashboard. Now let's talk about managing your portfolio. So you can see all your different options for managing your portfolio under the Portfolio Simulation menu in the section that says My Portfolio. We've already talked about how to make a trade in previous other videos, so we won't look into that today. But if you want more information, of course, you can always go to the tutorials section where we'll show you videos about how to get the most out of your StockTrack account. Okay, let's start with Portfolio Summary. So your Portfolio Summary is a lot like what you'll see on your dashboard with a little bit more detail. You can choose to view your account or the rules for your portfolio depending on which challenge or class that you're in. And you can choose as of which date, which is really helpful. You can always export any of this to Excel as well. This will show you your cash, the market value of your positions, your portfolio value and buying power down here, how many trades you've made, and the amount of total commissions that you've paid. So again, this is a quick snapshot of your portfolio, similar to what is in the dashboard, but with a little bit more detail. The next section within managing your portfolio is your open positions. So here's where you can see all the positions you currently have open across all different asset classes. So you can either choose standard view, 1-day chart, 30-day chart, or year chart up here, and you can filter by stocks, ETF, cryptos, options, Forex, or historical. So here are my stocks, ETFs, and cryptos. I have 3 current open positions that are stocks and 1 ETF. And of course, you can see how many I have, what price I paid, the last price, days change, profit and loss as a percentage and dollar sign, current market value. And here's these little action buttons that you can see immediately as well if you want to make a trade, view a chart, or view any news about that specific asset. I can also scroll into my options positions that are open with the same amount of information and my Forex positions here. With the new Stock Track interface, it's super easy to keep track of all your current holdings and navigate through your portfolio's open positions. Okay, next, let's check out closed positions. So when you first navigate to your closed positions page, make sure you select the stock that you're looking for. So this menu will show you all of your open positions, and the only one I've sold anything on so far is Google. So if I see Google, I can see it shows that I bought one share at $102.26 and sold a share at a loss for $99.56. You can see my P&L right here. The next two pages are transaction history and order history. This page will show you your transactions across your entire portfolio within the date range that you select. This can also be exported to Excel. So you can see all my transactions through my entire account here, no matter what type of security they are. Next, if you go to order history, you can see this is similar to the transaction history page, except for if you have pending orders that haven't yet executed, they'll show up here as well. Since all these orders were market, they filled immediately. But if you had limit or stop orders here, then you could see on this page what orders still remained opened yet haven't been filled. Depending on what type of challenge or class you're in, you may want to or need to make trading notes for each trade that you execute. Below the order history page, you'll see the trading notes section where you can go back and see all the trading notes that you have. Let's check out the portfolio ranking page where you can see how your portfolio is doing next to your classmates or next to the people in your stock trading league. So as you can see right now, I'm currently in third place in this league, right in the middle of the pack. You can see how many trades each person's made, their portfolio value, market value, and their overall return. You can also organize this overall or bi-weekly. And again, you can filter by date as well. Lastly, we have Graph My Portfolio, which is a super cool feature. So again, you can pick over here which class or challenge portfolio you want to select. See the historical performance of your portfolio at a 1 month or 3 month window. So this shows my portfolio, which has stayed relatively flat against the S&P 500. But you can choose your custom benchmark over here using this menu. And of course, this can all be exported to Excel as well. Thanks guys so much for watching this video about how to manage your portfolio using your StockTrack account.